Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ItzVenomYTX here today, back with another video for you guys. And today in this video, I'm going to be telling you on how to be a commentator on YouTube in 2020. Because I know there's going to be a lot of YouTubers out there that's going to be a commentator, just like the other famous commentators out there, like Scrubs, memeuless, imallexx, willne, and all those cool people out there. And if this helped you out until the end, then make sure to leave a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell on, because we're on our way to 5,000 subscribers and we're very close to that goal, and your support would be massively appreciated. And also don't forget to follow my Twitter, my Instagram, and join my Discord server, which will link down in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Real quick thing, before we get into the actual video, I just would like to give a big shout out and a big congratulations to my friend Earthbound Dark Snipe, which now is starting Twitch. And don't forget to support him, guys. There, you guys maybe could support each other's Twitch, and then maybe maybe network with each other. And don't forget to check out his streams. He's going to be putting out banging content in the streets in his Twitch, which will be cool gameplays and all those cool stuff. And so yeah, don't forget to check him out. And so yeah, without further ado, support Earthbound Dark Snipe, and let's get right into the actual video. So commentating is pretty much one of the things you do on YouTube. You having a gameplay on the video, or just you and the voice of you, and then reacting to a video, or like telling a life story. That's a commentary. And if you're like mumbling, like stuttering, all those stuff when you do on your videos, on your commentary videos, this is the perfect video for you, because I'm going to teach you and help you on how to get rid of those. Because personally, before you go down in the comments and why I'm doing this video and will I suck at commentating, this is the things that I know that might help you guys out as well. So I'm just helping you guys out. I'm not saying I'm a good commentator. I suck at commentating, and I'm on the way to improving. And so yeah, so the first thing I have for you guys is be yourself. I said this tip because there's going to be a lot of new commentating YouTubers out there that's going to be imitating famous commentary YouTubers like memeulous, and they're going to try hard and be the same as their accent or the way they act on the camera, and which is not good, because you want to be yourself when it comes to doing commentaries on YouTube. And it might hurt if you keep imitating other people as well, because a lot of your viewers, or a lot of your viewers who like finds you, they might think that you're trying so hard to be this other human that is famous on YouTube, that's gaining this much support while they're doing their commentaries, and you're trying to copy them. You're trying hard to act like Scrubs, Skeppy, and you're trying hard as well to act like memeulous, willne, or imallexx, or something like that, and which is not a good thing. So make sure to be yourself and don't act like a perfectionist, because we all start from scratch. We all start like we suck at the first start. No one starts at commentating and they are professionals. We all suck, we all stutter, and we all mumble words. And so yeah, without further ado, let's go right to the next step. Sorry for mumbling my voice out there. I don't even know what I did there, but I hope that was a detailed point. But the next step I have for you guys is, basically I said this in the past, but just don't be a perfectionist. We all start from scratch. Again, don't act like the famous commentary YouTubers out there, because that ain't going to work, and they will spot you like you're copying those famous people. And so make sure to just don't act like a perfectionist. It takes time and practice to be a commentary YouTuber. You can mumble up sometimes, or most of the times. You can even stutter up sometimes, or even most of the times, because you're just a first beginning commentary YouTuber out there that's going to be entertaining people. And yeah, also be an entertaining commentary. You know, all these famous commentary YouTubers out there like Critical and memeulous, they all have that comedic feel when they're doing the commentaries, because we all people on YouTube want a commentary YouTuber. They want a commentary YouTuber to be an entertaining commentary YouTuber. They just don't want it to be like a serious commentary YouTuber, whereas the entertainment, you all do serious stuff like that. And so yeah, pretty much just don't act like a perfectionist. Take a few scripts, take a few practices, and keep repeating it if you're messing up. As you can see, even if I have 4,000 subscribers, I still mumble up and stutter up on my commentaries because I suck. And I'm going to practice and not stutter up and mess up in the future commentary videos that I will do. And so yeah, take time and practice of you don't act like professionals, take a sip of water, and pretty much don't keep that same type of voice. Don't do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ItzVenomYTX. No, make sure to be exciteful as well. As well. Like, why did I just do that weird laugh? But what the heck? But yeah, make sure to not just keep that same type of voice. Also, be excited and just don't keep the same monotone voice. Take time and practice when you're doing your videos, because on your commentaries, because you don't want to stutter up. You don't want to start up and then just stutter in every commentary video that you will do. Like, hey guys, see, this sounds just you're nervous. And so yeah, without further ado, let's go right into the next tip. So the last tip that I have for you guys is to not put too much editing when you're first starting commentary YouTuber, because I know there's going to be a lot of new commentating YouTubers out there that's going to be editing a lot, and they will be copying popular commentary YouTuber style on their editing and those good stuff. But it's the wrong way to do about that, because you want to just start off, maybe like put a few edits and then that's it, and then you can do it along the way, because you don't want to put too much editing. That will bother the viewer, that will bother the user. Even if you're not a commentary YouTuber, it will still bother the viewer, since you're putting too much editing, like all these sound effects, all this MLG 360 no scope, all these Doritos thing like that, and those spammy things on the screen. No, don't put too much editing, and just put a few editing in it, and then like a subscribe button. Like if you love the video, or like if you like the video, add a green screen to it, a like button, like, you know what I mean. Don't put too much editing into it, because you don't want the God, I'm starting up again and I'm messing my words up. But you don't want the viewer who is watching your video, watching your video, to be bothered on what are you doing on your commentary channel or your videos, because they will be bothered. Like, you're putting too much editing. You're just a starting YouTuber on commentaries, and I can't even see, I can't even read, or I can't even hear what you're saying. I can barely hear you because of these things you say. Not things you say, but your editing is all over the screen. Like, see, I know this doesn't make sense, but if you put too much editing like all over the screen, trust me, they will leave, and you cannot say that I'm wrong, because this is an absolute fact and you cannot prove me wrong. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, but that's a little bit rant in the last tip. But yeah, that's it for today. So that's it for today, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a big thumbs up to this video. Let's smash 120 likes for this video, because we've been killing the like game recently, and pretty sure if we go farther this way, we maybe could hit 200 likes, you know. But yeah, also don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so you won't miss anything like this in the future, my helpful tutorial tip videos. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram and my Twitter, which will be linked down in the description box down below. And also don't forget to join my Discord server, which will be also linked down in the description box down below. And so yeah, that's going to be it for today. And yeah, without further ado, subscribe to the... Wait, why? But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to leave it to the video there, and Video Nation, peace out.